The showroom is buzzing with excitement as customers gather round, eagerly awaiting the reveal of the highly anticipated 2024 Honda Ridgeline. With its bold and commanding presence, the new Ridgeline is ready to conquer any terrain. This pickup truck exudes strength and capability from its aggressive front grille to its rugged bed. Although Honda has equipped the Ridgeline with a tough-looking HPD package since the model's mid-cycle refresh for 2021, the pickup may be gaining a true off-road trim for 2024. Honda has confirmed the new model year will bring the first Ridgeline Trail Sport, which we expect to be optimized for off-road performance. Considering the second-gen model's 2017 launch and the aforementioned mid-cycle update, there's a strong chance the Ridgeline Trail Sport could be released as a part of a fully redesigned third-generation Ridgeline lineup for 2024. The 2024 Honda Ridgeline could be redesigned to kick off the third generation. This means that it could have a new exterior design with modern updates. It could have new LED lights, a larger grille, and an updated front bumper. With its bold and commanding presence, the 2024 Honda Ridgeline is ready to conquer any terrain. This pickup truck exudes strength and capability, from its aggressive front grille to its rugged bed. Prepare to make a statement on the road and off as the Ridgeline commands attention with its striking design. If the Honda Ridgeline Trail Sport emerges, then the more off-roading capable truck could be equipped with a suspension lift, alloy wheels, beefy all-terrain tires, tow hooks, and protective skid plates. Other upgrades may include trail cameras, hill descent control, hill start assist, an enhanced all-wheel drive system, and more off-roading modes. The 2024 Honda Ridgeline might get a new engine. The current engine is a 3.5-liter V6 engine with 280 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and can accelerate from 0 to 60 in a pretty impressive 6.3 seconds, a time which would worry many hot hatches. The Ridgeline offers an intelligent torque vectoring all-wheel drive system that optimizes power distribution to each wheel, enhancing traction and control in various driving conditions. Whether you're traversing muddy trails or navigating snowy roads, the Ridgeline provides confidence-inspiring grip and stability. The payload capacity is actually impressive, but rivals can tow more. But it can only tow up to 5,000 pounds and carry a payload of up to 1,583 pounds. It needs to get closer to the 7,000 pound mark to earn more respect. There have been rumors about a new Honda Ridgeline hybrid floating around, but according to car experts, that still needs to be added to the cards. Reportedly, Honda shared that the Ridgeline and the Pilot will not receive a gas-electric powertrain in 2024, but it could receive the new 3.5-liter V6 engine with a few notable upgrades. For example, it switched from a single overhead cam to a double overhead cam setup, an improved fuel delivery system, new internals, and enhanced packaging. The new engine could provide more power and be a little faster. It'll be paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The Ridgeline currently gets an EPA estimated 18 miles per gallon in the city, as well as 24 miles per gallon on the highway. Honda first introduced the Trail Sport trim on the mid-size Passport SUV for the 2022 model year, but it was more off-road show than off-road go. That changed with the 2023 Pilot Trail Sport and its steel skid plates, lifted suspension, and an improved all-wheel drive system. We hope the Ridgeline will get the latter treatment. One of the standout features of the 2024 Honda Ridgeline is its versatile bed design. The Ridgeline offers an exclusive dual-action tailgate, which opens both downward and to the side, providing convenient access to the bed and making loading and unloading a breeze. Additionally, the in-bed trunk provides secure storage for your valuable gear, while the available truck bed audio system lets you turn your truck into the ultimate outdoor party zone. The second-generation Ridgeline had a maximum towing capacity of 5,000 pounds. That's enough to tow a couple of jet skis, snowmobiles, a small camper, or some boats, but it's worth noting that other mid-sized trucks are more capable. For reference, the 2023 Chevrolet Colorado can tow up to 7,700 pounds. Yes, the 2024 Honda Ridgeline will have an updated modern interior with higher quality materials. Plastics and hard materials could be replaced with durable, attractive trim pieces, such as genuine wood and soft-touch covered materials. The Ridgeline has been dropping hints about rugged upgrades and desert racing, so it's possible that new durable materials could be added. All-weather rubber mats may protect the interior. The Ridgeline will offer ample legroom, premium materials, and available leather-trimmed seats for a comfortable and luxurious experience. With the Ridgeline's versatile seating configurations, you can easily accommodate passengers and cargo, making every journey a comfortable and enjoyable one. A larger unit could replace the 8-inch touchscreen, and it's safe to expect an updated digital gauge cluster. The heads-up display could be improved as well. Also, we hope wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are added. So far, only spy shots of the new Ridgeline have been captured where it's covered by camouflage, but we do know something new is on the way, and it could be more capable. The 2024 Honda Ridgeline is not just a workhorse, it's a tech-savvy companion. With its intuitive touchscreen display, seamless smartphone integration, and available premium audio system, the Ridgeline keeps you connected, entertained, and in control. The 2024 Honda Ridgeline is packed with advanced technology features to enhance your driving experience. The available 8-inch touchscreen display offers seamless smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to access your favorite music, apps, and navigation on the go. Plus, with available wireless charging and multiple USB ports, you can stay connected and powered up wherever your adventure takes you. The second-generation Ridgeline earned a 5-star overall safety rating from the NHTSA, and we expect the 2024 model to achieve the same rating. The Japanese automaker has been generous with its Honda sensing driver assists in the past, so it's safe to expect the 2024 Ridgeline will come standard with at least adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and automatic emergency braking. We expect the Ridgeline to get the Trail Sport treatment for 2024. Changes for the Trail Sport could include an increased ride height, skid plates to protect the truck's underside, all-terrain tires, and a retuned all-wheel drive system. We'd love if the new Pilot's updated V6 engine and 10-speed automatic transmission also made their way into the Ridgeline in 2024. It's expected to have a more rugged and confident look to better compete against rivals. The rear end could have a new taillight design and upgraded bumper as well. New wheel designs will complete the look. But the 2024 Ridgeline is still expected to have all-wheel drive and a unibody suspension instead of a traditional body-on-frame build with four-wheel drive. While all-wheel drive limits suspension travel, it's still incredibly capable. Other upgrades may include trail cameras, hill descent control, hill start assist, an enhanced all-wheel drive system, and more off-roading modes. The 2024 Honda Ridgeline is not just a truck, it's a versatile and powerful companion that takes your adventure to new heights. With its powerful performance, intelligent all-wheel drive, innovative bed design, spacious interior, advanced technology, and comprehensive safety features, the Ridgeline is redefining what it means to drive a pickup truck. Prepare to embrace the thrill of off-road excursions, conquer challenging terrains, and experience the ultimate combination of power and versatility. The 2024 Honda Ridgeline is ready to accompany you on your wildest adventures and redefine your expectations of what a truck can do.